Well guys, in today's video, HOTWAV's new rugged tablet combines durability and performance in a compact package with a massive 10,800 mAh battery and with 14 and up to 20 GB of RAM. It's designed to handle demanding tasks and tough conditions. Its 10.1-inch HD Plus display promises excellent visuals and versatility. Is this tablet the right choice for you? Find out in this HOTWAV R8 video review. Okay, now let's start with unboxing and let's look at the contents of this box. So here is our R8 tablet. We will put it aside for now. What we have here: additional tempered glass in order to further protect the screen of this tablet, even though the R8 comes with a pre-installed protection on the screen out of the box. These are the wipes in case you are going to put this protective glass. HOTWAV user manual. We have USB Type-C cable for charging, and there is also a charger, and that was the contents of this package. Now with the 880 grams, the HOTWAV R8 may be a bit heavier than the 10.1-inch competition, but that's partly because it comes with a complete body protection and with a large, long-lasting, even 10,800 mAh battery inside. Much of it is due to its reinforced body with the necessary additions such as the rubberized corners and frames to improve shock absorption. It's reasonably portable without feeling too heavy. Since this is a shock-resistant tablet, it comes with IP68 and IP69K ratings as well as the military STD 810H standards. HOTWAV logotype highlights the back of the tablet with the subtle orange details, hinting that this tablet was created for demanding and difficult working conditions. Located on the top right, it is a single 30 megapixel camera module with the LED flash. Flip the tablet over and we got the nice 10.1-inch HD Plus display protected by Gorilla Glass protection. On the top bezel in the middle there is a 5 megapixel front-facing camera which will handle video calls and some selfies. On the right side of the tablet we find volume buttons and a power button, and a little lower we can see the speaker grills. We can find the same speaker grills on the opposite side, which means that R8 tablet comes with the stereo speakers. On this side we also find the under the rubber seal which ensures 100% waterproofness, USB Type-C port, and next to it is a SIM card tray that accepts two 4G SIM cards or one SIM card and a memory card of up to 1 TB. The HOTWAV R8 rugged tablet features a 10.1-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 800 by 1200 pixels, ensuring clear visuals and good details for everyday use. Its 450 nits brightness makes it usable in bright outdoor conditions. The 16:10 aspect ratio enhances the viewing experience, making it suitable for browsing, reading and multimedia consumption. While this resolution is modest compared by premium tablets, it balances functionality and affordability with decent performance for the price range. For connectivity, they have equipped it with two nano SIM trays that supports 4G LTE, so you can use high internet speeds. It also has a Bluetooth 5.1 to connect external devices such as the wireless headphones and to connect with the Wi-Fi networks. It supports dual bandwidth 2.4 GHz and Wi-Fi 5, providing low latency and faster transmission speed, resulting in a great efficiency, reliability and security. This tablet does not skimp on memory either, with its up to 12 GB RAM module, 4 GB plus 8 GB virtual RAM, and you won't run out of the space for your apps and multimedia since there is 128 GB of internal memory. This storage, moreover, is expandable up to 1 TB of a memory card. You can even enjoy the wide array of popular gaming titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the tablet's solid Unisoc Tiger T606 processor, boasts two high-performance R75 cores running at 1.6 GHz paired with the 6 power-efficient R55 cores, ensuring optimal performance that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games. But miracles should not be expected here. The tablet operates on the latest Android 14 operating system, excelling in multitasking and seamless app switching, offering a clean Android experience devoid of unnecessary bloatware or unexpected odds. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures effortless synchronization when transitioning from another device. The HOTWAV R8 allows extensive customization, allowing users to modify dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors, and other features supported by the new Android version. This user experience on this tablet is thoughtfully designed and exceptionally user-friendly. On the back, it features a single 30-megapixel main camera. Photos are good quality in good lighting with enough detail and satisfactory colors. Video recording is available in 1080 pixel resolution and 30 fps, which is the standard for this type of devices. To get a feel for camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using this tablet, so let's take a look. The battery of this tablet is perhaps the most surprising point, because it has a large 10,800 mAh battery and enjoys up to 700 hours of standby time and 80 hours of talk time. Whether you are streaming videos, browsing the web, or playing games, you can rely on the tablets to keep up with your busy lifestyle. In addition, the R8 outdoor tablet features OTG reverse charging. Whether you are traveling or working, stay powered up effortlessly. The HOTWAV R8 has a very precise navigation system with GPS, GLONASS, Beta-U and Galileo technologies, so that you know where you are at all times, whether in your city or outside it. Let's not forget how the HOTWAV R8 ensures the highest standards of durability. HOTWAV has IP68 and IP69K resistance standards, as well as a military STD810H military certifications of resistance. It can withstand up to 1.5 meter depth for 30 minutes and it's fully 360 protected. It's completely waterproof, drop-proof and dust-proof tablet. It's ideal not only for outdoor sport enthusiasts and outdoor workers, but also for elderly, kids and anyone who requires a rugged tablet. This rugged tablet is designed for challenging off-road conditions with all resistance certifications, providing impeccable resistance and safety. The HOTWAV R8 tablet can be useful to a variety of people due to its combination of robust features and good performance. If you ever broken a tablet or mobile phone and you don't want it to happen again, then this is the tablet just for you. In short, the R8 tablet is a versatile product that can be useful for many types of users who are looking for a durable device that will last for many years with a good performance. If the R8 has caught your attention, visit the official sales link provided below this video. Hurry up to take advantage of the special promotional price available for a limited time. Seize the opportunity to own the HOTWAV R8, a versatile, robust and high performance tablet. That was all for today. Hit like and subscribe, and see you soon with the new video review. Until then, bye.